Doing skincare as a man is not gay. In fact, it's the opposite. Look at these two photos. Be honest. Who do you think women are more likely to choose? Even a sixth grader can tell it's the second guy, and that's the reality. Clear skin instantly makes you look healthier, more confident, and more attractive. The problem is that most advice out there is pure BS. DIY serums, random homemade hacks, things that never actually work. So today I'll give you the real 7-step routine every man should follow to get a clear, flawless skin. Step 1. Stop touching your face. This is the first and most important step. Think about how many things your hands touch throughout the day. Door handles, keyboards, food. Every time you touch your face, you're transferring that bacteria directly onto your skin. Most people do it constantly without even realizing it. So here's a fun challenge for you. Notice whenever you try to touch your face, if you touch it uselessly, you lose. This way, the habit starts to break. Step 2. Wear sunscreen every morning. Sun exposure is the #1 cause of premature aging, dark spots, and uneven skin tone. Just look at this picture. There's a truck driver who spent decades with the left side of his face exposed to sunlight through the window. The left side looks significantly older and more damaged than the other. That's what unprotected sun exposure does over time. So apply sunscreen daily. Step 3. Cleanse your face. Don't use regular hand soap or body wash on your face. The skin on your face is more sensitive than the rest of your body and needs a gentler, more targeted product. Use a dedicated face wash twice a day, morning and night. If you're prone to oiliness or breakouts, look for one that contains 2% salicylic acid, as it helps clear out pores and prevent pimples. If your skin is on the drier side, go for something more gentle and hydrating. Step 4. Exfoliate twice a week. Think of your skin like a glass window. No matter how much you wash it daily, after a few days, dust and dirt still stick to it, making it look dull. The same thing happens with your face. Dead skin cells accumulate on the surface and make you look tired. Exfoliating removes that layer so fresh skin can come through, leaving your face smoother and brighter. It also helps your other products absorb better. But don't overdo it. Exfoliating daily will irritate your skin and can actually make things worse. Twice a week is enough, using either a gentle physical scrub or a chemical exfoliant. Step 5. Post-wash care. After cleansing, your skin needs something to restore and protect it. What you use depends on your skin type, so first figure out which one you have. Wash your face properly with water and face wash, don't apply anything, and wait 2 hours. If your face feels tight or dry, you have dry skin. If only your forehead and nose feel oily, you have combination skin. If your whole face feels oily, you have oily skin. If nothing feels off, you have normal skin. Now here's what you have to apply to your face according to your skin type. For dry skin, apply a moisturizer after cleansing. For oily skin, apply lactocalamine. For combination or normal skin, a vitamin C serum is a solid option as it brightens skin tone and works well across most skin types. Step 6. Use a face razor. A face razor removes the useless hair from your face, eliminating that blackish layer to make your skin flawless. Now, here is the most important step. 7. Diet. You can clean your face from the outside as much as you want, but if your liver is weak and your digestion is bad, your skin will still suffer. So make sure you're getting enough protein. Eggs are one of the best sources because they contain a complete amino acid profile. Foods rich in vitamin A, like carrots, spinach, and sweet potatoes, support skin cell turnover. Follow these 7 steps consistently, and you'll start seeing a real difference within a few weeks.
So I party like a rock star, look like a porn star. Every day I go hard, right?